the secret comic we found in the museum. Research museum in Los Gatos. Wait, does that work? Found a secret comic in Los Gatos Museum. It's only about riddles. Transformers here too. Wow, this is the Ford Bibles. So bad. Oh. Do my vampire research.
Is that Xavier's mansion?
The fun! Hurry, let's roll secret plans!
This is the best comic. This is the best comic book section in any library I've ever seen. Here we go. All right, good.
Oh, you didn't borrow our guitars. Those are your own guitars.
Oh yeah, these are our guitars.
You
Yeah.
can borrow your
There's a librarian. Okay, cool.
There's so much.
I found the Universal comic. The one when Joker kills Robin.